Are you working with a program that needs you to press and hold down keys on your keyboard? That's where DirectKey mode comes in. Let's check it out. DirectKey mode works just like your traditional keyboard. Press a key, hold a key, release a key. It works just like the keyboard you're used to. So what's the difference? With a regular chording mode, when you press and release a button, it sends out the assigned action just once. But with DirectKey mode, when you press and hold a button, it keeps sending out that action continuously until you let go. To get started, head over to Twiddler Tuner, then select which configuration you want to use. Select Settings and toggle the DirectKey mode to On. Since each program has its own shortcuts and accessibility tools, you get to decide which buttons in both your Twiddler and software are set up for specific press and hold shortcuts. You can use it for all sorts of things, like producing repeated characters while text editing, continuously moving a character in your game, or sustained actions in your graphics, production, and design software. You are one step closer to mastering your Twiddler.